The Log Max 5000V is a powerful forestry harvester head, boasting a maximum cutting diameter of 74 centimeter and a feed speed of up to 5.0 m/s. Its robust design includes a 25.9 kN feeding force and a 750 millimeter saw bar, ensuring efficient processing of trees ranging from 12 to 38 cm in diameter. The 5000V also features a 100 kN lifting capacity rotator and a delimbing diameter of 3.0.4.1.5 millimeter, enhancing its versatility and productivity. In various forestry applications, the Log Max 5000V is powerful and versatile. The Liebherr MK88 is a mobile construction crane equipped with a 4-axle all-terrain chassis and a powerful Liebherr D936A7 diesel engine. It boasts a maximum lifting capacity of 8.8 tons and a reach of up to 45 meters, allowing it to tackle a wide range of construction projects. The crane's travel speed of 80 kilometers per hour ensures efficient transportation between job sites. The Liebherr MK88 is a mobile construction crane that combines power and versatility. Its 4-axle all-terrain chassis and powerful diesel engine enable it to navigate challenging terrains and reach remote job sites. The John Deere 670G excavator is a powerful machine designed for demanding construction projects. It boasts a 463 horsepower engine, delivering the power needed for heavy lifting and digging. With a maximum digging depth of 30 feet, the 670G can handle a wide range of tasks, from excavation and trenching to material handling and demolition. Its robust construction, advanced hydraulic system, and key features like a powerful engine and deep digging depth ensure efficient and productive operation on various construction sites. This powerful machine is designed to handle the toughest jobs with ease and efficiency. The Hitachi EH5000 is a massive mining truck designed for heavy-duty hauling in demanding environments. It boasts an impressive payload capacity of 296 metric tons. Powered by a Cummins QSK TAX60 diesel engine, delivering 1970 kW of net power. The truck utilizes a Hitachi AC drive system for efficient power transmission and features large ADR 63 tires to handle rugged terrain with a maximum travel speed of 56 km per hour. The EH5000 ensures efficient material transport across mining sites. This behemoth is equipped with a powerful Cummins engine, delivering 2,600 horsepower to efficiently haul massive payloads. The Scania G560 XT is a robust truck engineered for demanding off-road tasks. It boasts a powerful 13-liter 6-cylinder engine that delivers 560 horsepower and 2,700 Nm of torque. This power is harnessed by an Optic Cruise automated manual transmission with 12 gears. The 6x4 axle configuration and air suspension provide excellent traction and stability. Importantly, the Skip 4-axle configuration and air suspension provide excellent traction and stability, while the XT package includes features like reinforced chassis and increased ground clearance for optimal off-road performance. The Wagner LC120 landfill compactor is a powerful machine designed for efficient waste compaction in landfill sites. It typically features a Caterpillar or Cummins diesel engine with horsepower ranging 525 HP. The 4-wheel drive system is powered by a 4-speed power shift transmission. The chassis features a double oscillating design with a center hinge bearing ensuring stability and maneuverability. The bucket available in sizes of 42 cubic yards. Dumps 12 feet ahead of the axle for enhanced safety. Additional features include a vehicle monitoring system, easy access for maintenance, and various safety features like sliding windows, and a training seat. The Menzimuck M545 is powered by a Deutz 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, delivering 155 horsepower. It boasts a travel speed of up to 15 km per hour and an operating weight of approximately 13500 kilograms. The standard bucket capacity is 0.4 cubic meter, and it achieves a maximum digging depth of 6.19 meter and height of 10.2335 meter, with a maximum reach of 8.21 m and dumping height of 8.18 meter. The M5475 offers impressive versatility. Its hydraulic system, featuring a load-sensing design by Rexroth, the Komatsu 960E is a behemoth in the mining industry, boasting a payload capacity of up to 360 short tons and 327 metric tons. This ultra-class haul truck, powered by a 3,500 horsepower diesel engine, is equipped with an AC electric drive system for efficient power delivery. Its massive size, measuring over 51 feet in length and 30 feet in width, allows it to transport vast quantities of material across mining sites. Advanced features like automatic traction control and a sophisticated electronic control system enhance its performance and safety. The XCMG XC7000 is a massive mining excavator designed for large-scale operations, boasting an operating weight of over 740 tons and a bucket capacity ranging 36 cubic meters. Powered by two 1,600 horsepower engines, it delivers exceptional digging and lifting force, enabling efficient material handling in demanding mining environments. Advanced features like a robust construction, intelligent monitoring systems, and a centralized fire extinguishing system, ensuring safe and efficient operation, making the XC7000 a formidable asset in the mining industry. The XCMG XC7000. The Caterpillar 995 pounds is a massive wheel loader, designed for heavy-duty material handling in mining and large-scale construction projects. It boasts an operating weight exceeding 540,000 pounds and a bucket capacity ranging of 43.6 cubic meters. Powered by a robust Caterpillar 3516E engine, delivering over 1,800 horsepower, the 995 can achieve travel speeds of up to 27 kilometers per hour. This machine offers exceptional lifting force and maneuverability. The spacious operator cab provides a comfortable and productive work environment with excellent visibility. The Volvo FMX is a robust truck designed for demanding off-road and construction applications. It features powerful diesel engines, typically in the 460 to 540 horsepower range, paired with the advanced I-Shift automated manual transmission, often with crawler gears for exceptional low-speed maneuverability. The FMX boasts a durable chassis with various axle configurations to suit different needs, along with heavy-duty suspension systems for optimal ride comfort and load handling. The spacious and comfortable tab offers excellent visibility and advanced safety features, making it ideal for long-haul and demanding operations.